Welcome to Monteverde Cloud Forest.
Yep, we're doing the hanging bridges.
And hummingbirds.
And hummingbirds.
You with a broken hand for me?
Even broken hand.
This is the male. Okay. Female.
So purple.
Male, female. No. What purple what?
So right here, it's
This is vibrant. That's why call. Look at that.
Yeah.
Number 7. Look at that. Purple stratum.
And you say there's 56 or how many species in Costa Rica? 52. So 52 species of hummingbirds. North America has over 300.
They're so loud. It's like...
No, it's coming for color.
Man, I've never been this close to
I haven't either. Look at
know,
that.
they're like...
Look at that.
They're probably so used to humans being around with this.
Picture.
How many days in totally in Costa Rica?
5. Shannon.
So, is this a place that people should come?
Yes.
We've never been to
We've never
Monteverde.
been to Monteverde.
Yeah, we have to come back eventually.
Want to sit and kiss it? Can't believe how close you can get.
It's cool. This is pretty cool, we have to say. If you're in Costa Rica, get over to Monteverde.
Look at the for example, this kind of bamboo, you know, the chusque, the Poaceae family. This bamboo is normal in the Cloud Forest.
Broken hand.
Our first hanging bridge. It's swervy. Dun, 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 dun. Watch me drop this. Woo. I'm gonna get yelled at.
Each one of the.
Sorry, excuse me.
Of all the forms. I see him moving in there.
I see him moving, but I can't tell what he is.
Well, I know the bird. It's called red-faced flying tail.
Bad drop.
Boy, disappears in the foliage.
Exactly.
Wow.
Ultimate camouflage.
More, what are the more? Purple. Purple, this kind of.
Let me get down there. Oh, look at that thing. That's pretty cool. Fall on my face.
Look at this tree right there. Look at that.
Sounds hollow.
No.
Yeah.
Some hollow. Bad. This is, you know, balsa wood. Very light wood. People used to make models, airplane, or
Yeah.
toy, grow quicker. You cut a big tree in your country, so how old are you? Cut 1, 2, 3. But look at around here. Mostly tree in this forest very constant grow up, you know what I mean? Because it's a very shallow root, no deep root, too much weight in the tree, very windy. It very happens tree fall very quick. What happened here? This is the benefit. It become more light, you know what I mean? It's more light. This is the consequences. The storm affected more here in the second grow because more open. Later one entry to those forests is more this one. Tomatoes. These are tomatoes.
Really?
Solanaceas over here. Blueberries, Ericaceas. Blueberries over here. Is that bird?
Yeah, I heard it.
Okay, so that's the first tree.
Yeah.
Gray breasted wood wren. In North America, you have a house wren, Carolina wren. I will put these people on the front, okay? You know how make it this one? As insect. You know how? Because very consecutive, very cyclic.
Yeah.
They have OCD?
You know how? Simple. In the beginning, the leaf is something like that. The insect
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
yeah. Because the other day somebody said, no, maybe scissors.
Makes sense.
Look at that.
Yeah, makes sense.
I think I hear a zip line. I hear zip lining. Nope, nope. I said if you're afraid of heights, I recommend not going on the hanging bridges.
And if you're disabled, actually, it's not
Pretty easy.
hard. It's easy. You can do it.
I hear this.
50-year-olds doing it.
Look how cool that is.
Yeah. Definitely worth doing the $15 or the extra for the
It's $15 for an extra tour guide.
Well, per person. So it's, I think I got for like, I don't remember how much I bought it for. 25. I have to look at the things, but
Whatever the park entrance is, and
it's worth it.
definitely worth it.
Your time. Otherwise, you're just gonna be looking at a lot of plants and not knowing what they are.
Look at the clouds.
Our guide's saying that a lot of times this bridge is actually in the clouds when you come.
Hence the cloud forest. When it rolls through, so you have blue sky, white sky. Arenal?
No, they're
Coast. Oh, avocado tree?
avocados.
If the bridge is shaking, don't make it shake more.
Beautiful. Lots of birds, insects.
For example,
Still looking for a sloth.
over here.